Hey, how's it going? I've acquired quite a few premium trucks over the last few months, and I thought it would be cool to take a look at all of them and just take our time and see what they are. So, let's start off with this one right here. This is the Hot Wheels from the Fast and Furious line. Lamborghini LM 002. It's number 2 of 5 in the series. It's black. Pretty cool off-road vehicle. Let's get it out of the package and take a look at it. Don't know much about the real-life LM002. I think it was kind of in the early 90s, late 80s, and it was supposed to be their Hummer, I think. Oh, look at that. I pulled the wheel off getting it out of the package. For sure. It's going to make someone really happy. It just snaps back on, no big deal. There we go. Very nice. A little off camera there. It's very nice casting. Looks sharp in this black. The tire on the back is not a real rider. It's molded plastic. Nice detail on the back there. Overall, great looking casting. Excited to add that one to the collection. All right. Next up, let's do another Hot Wheel. This is the 1975 Ford Bronco. This is from the Boulevard series, which I believe is only available at Walmart. This one's really nice in this green color. It's one of my favorites. Actually own a green 2023 Ford Bronco, so I'm partial to that. I have a couple of other ones. I have the GT and the Lamborghini out of this set. I'll be probably showing those in another video. Get this guy out of the package here. I'll try to keep the tire on this time. So this one I noticed right away also just has a plastic molded tire on the back. Great details there on the back though. It's a 75 Bronco on the license plate. Got the tail lights there. There's the side. This pearlescent lime green color on there. The top comes off. It's a really cool feature. We do take the top all the way off of our Bronco as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It just popped right off of there. It's just a plastic top. Snaps on. Really cool. The front there. All right. Next up, we're going to take a look at this one. This is the Lucas Oil Products Custom 62 Chevy pickup. This is older. I got this one off of eBay recently. There's the other ones in the series. This is the only one I have. I really like this Custom 62 pickup truck. So the surfboard says Lucas. I believe it's removable. They used to be. I'm sure it is. There we go. It just slides back. It has a little tab on it. So it's super cool. Here's the side of the truck. Lucas Oil Products. There's the rear. Chevrolet with the Lucas Oil logo on there. There's the front detail. Very nice. Alright, so we've done 3 Hot Wheels. I'm going to shift over to Greenlight. I do have another Hot Wheel back here hiding in the back, but I'm going to save that to show last. Here's 1987 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 6. This is from Greenlight Kings of Crunch Series 15. I don't collect all of the Kings of Crunch. I just collect the Bigfoot models. Growing up as a kid, I got to see the Bigfoot with the huge tires, and I got to stand in the tire, and that was just like one of those memories that you never forget. It's one of those core memories, and that was just a lot of fun. Once they started making these Bigfoot castings, I decided I was just going to get all of them. As some of you may know, I really like Greenlight products. I buy quite a lot of them. There's a side here. It's pretty similar to the number 4 that I have over there. I think we're going to take a closer look at that in just a minute. Very nice truck. Love the detail Greenlight puts into these. All right, now let's get number 4 out of the package. Here's Bigfoot. This one's an F350 Bigfoot. This is number 4. It's in Series 16 of Kings of Crunch. It's hard to believe that there's been that many series so far. It seems like just not that long ago they announced this series and came out with the original Bigfoot number 1. I'll probably do a Bigfoot video and show all of them at some point soon. There is one I'm missing. I don't have the one on the gooseneck trailer, so I'll probably track that down before I make that video. Anyways, let's take a look at these two since we have them sitting here. Just opened number 4, so let's look at that one first. Very cool. Seems to be a deeper blue than number 6, perhaps. There's the front, the grille. Great detail again. Let's look at it compared to number 6 while we have them here. As you can see, I don't know if you can actually in the video, but they are, man, I can't tell. It looked at first like no, they're the same. I think it's the same casting. They're calling one a 350 and one a 250. Well, they are different. I mean, look at the hoods there. So 6 was an 87. Yeah, so they are different body styles. And this one was a 90. So you can see the grills are different there. The engines are a little different there. You can see. Yeah, they are slightly different castings. So it's pretty cool. At first glance, I thought, you know, they were the same, but looks like they're different. There's the difference of the Ford logo on the bed cover. That's pretty cool. All right, let's keep going. I have 3 more to show you in this video and talk about. Up next, we have the, I'm going to do it in this order. Up next, we have the 1990 Ford F-150 Golf Special Edition from Greenlight. Series 2. I don't know. I've been out of the game a while. I think they must have had a Golf series. Let me know down in the comments below. I know they made a lot of Golf vehicles in the past. So this one has a fuel tank in the back. That's pretty cool. It actually moves around. I don't know if you can see that there. Here's the front. What year did I say? So this is a 90 150. It almost looks like that hood should open. It doesn't. It looks like it could, though. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Very cool. The Golf on the side. There's the base. The back. So I already stated, the details on these Greenlights is just outstanding. This one was a must-have for the collection. I like the Golf oil colors, and they're also iconic. It's an iconic thing, so I like to collect that. It's fun. Here's a 82 GMC K2500. This one is a Mijo exclusive. It's limited to 2,750 pieces. And now there's one less in the package. There's that one. So my cousin had one of these trucks back when I was a kid in the early 90s. His was green though, and that thing was awesome. Very cool truck. Some cool sticker details down there on the side. Looks like Champion, Motul, I can't read it, Golf, and I'll know what that shield symbol is there. If you know, let me know down in the comments. So that one's very nice. It's probably one of my favorite one that I've opened so far. And then last but not least, we're going to do the Hot Wheels 83 Silverado Golf. I'm sure this is going to hurt somebody, but I don't like collecting cardboard. I like collecting toy cars. So here we have it. Metal on metal, metal base, metal body, real rider tires. Super awesome. There's the front. Good Golf. If you've ever seen Golf gas station, they say that. There you have it. There are some of my recent truck pickups from Hot Wheels and Greenlight. Please let me know what your favorite was down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and have a great day.